knowledge, wisdom, experiences, sharing is good life. Welcome to our channel Hamara Good Life. Subscribe now for more knowledge and informative videos.
Hi, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Hamara Good Life. Today we are going to discuss on insurance overview and insurance basics. This is our first video. Any small mistakes, kindly excuse us. And 99.9% we will going to share you only the original data. All the references, if you want, we can share. And regarding any insurance queries, you can write to our mail ID, which we will share at the end of the video. Coming to myself, my name is Anand, and basically I am a mechanical engineering with automobile service industry experience, and from past 6 years I was working in insurance industry. And I have procured my license sheet and acquiring associate diploma from Insurance Institute of India. What is Insurance Institute of India? What are the courses offering by them? How to register, how to enroll, how to write an exams, how to acquire the desired qualifications. I will let you know in another video. If you all request, please let me know in the comment section. And when coming to our insurance subject, in India, insurance knowledge is very poor. Insurance studies is also very poor. I feel government should start impacting from the basics from class 10th itself, because insurance is a very vast subject. Every year one chapter, it will be very good for the insurance knowledges, and people will be able to know what are the do's and do nots as per the insurance. It will help us to increase the insurance market in India. When coming to the insurance, when you ask many people what is insurance, very few will tell that insurance has a savings, security, and it's a future. And many will tell that insurance is only for tax saving, it is because government mandatory, so only we are purchasing. And many will feel that it is not necessary for them. I will let you know in further coming videos why it is very important to purchase insurance policy and how it will impact to the government, to your family, to your friends, colleagues, and everyone. I will let you know slowly one by one. And when coming to the other needs, why people will give the last preference to the insurance? Because insurance is an intangible asset. When you purchase a pen, we can feel it, we can touch it, we can write with it, we can enjoy it, and we can even play with it. But insurance is not like that. When you purchase an insurance policy, they will give only an document. Nowadays, because of the digitalization, we are not even getting a paper. So many people will ignore the insurance. They will give the last preference for the insurance. But as per my opinion, the first preference to be the insurance. And one more thing, I want to share a small example regarding this. There was a saying that a friend in need is a friend indeed, which means that a real friend is a friend who helps us in a tough situations. That is the meaning of that word. Insurance is also of the similar kind. When you are under risk, when you take a policy, that insurance company will give you that certain amount as per that policy, so that you are out of that financial risk. Remember, financial risk. So insurance is like a friend, it is a best friend. So I recommend everyone to take an insurance policy which is relevant to you, which can be done for you, which is economical to you. In slowly I will share you in another videos for what purchase, how to select a insurance policy, depends upon your age. Hope you have understood why I am stressing financial. So you may got a doubt what can be insured. The products or whatever which can be measured in terms of money, monetary can be insured. So any loss when it is happened, it should be calculated in terms of money. Then only it can be insured. For example, someone may love his sister, his friend, or someone else, but that relationship cannot be insured. He can insure for his own products or any others which can be measured in terms of money. Money is important. Financial insurance will help only for the financial loss. This is called as an insurance. Our next video we will going to let you learn about with clear small example what is insurance, insured, who is insurer, what is an agent, and all the fine book definition of the insurance and many other terms. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe, like and share. Let the video reach to the maximum people so that everyone can add some little bit of insurance knowledge so that they can secure their life and our society will also be bright. Everyone will be insured. Thank you, thanks and all. Thank you once again for all your subscription and support. See you in the next video. Last but not least, as COVID cases have been increasing, I request everyone to do some online shopping and avoid outing. For your convenience, I have shared Amazon link on the below. One thing, no seat belt, no outing, no helmet, no drive. Avoid alcohol. If you take alcohol, enjoy the drink, have a good sleep, but no driving. Thank you.